Hi, welcome. So this is Genit, a platform that empowers businesses to leverage autonomous AI agents to handle end-to-end marketing across several channels. Startup button will take a user to the chat section. However, we are going to click on the plugin to enable us access Google services. Right. So this video is to help users to know how to connect Google services to Genit AI into their existing business. I'm going to disconnect this so you can see how everything works from the beginning. YouTube has been authorized already, but I'm going to add it again since it's part of Google services. To get started, I'm going to click on the add button, click add. Then I'm going to click on continue. A prompt will come up asking me to connect. I'm choosing Expand Comics as my preferred YouTube channel. Clicking continue. These are the services it's requesting for. Then I'm going to click on these are the services. These are the services it's requesting for. Okay, so expanding all of them so that everything will be detailed. Then I'm going to click here. So these are the services requesting for. Clicking continue. And with this, the platform will be connected. Then I'm going to click on again and click on Google Ads. Click on continue with Google Ads. Then select the preferred platform. When I do, it's going to ask to verify if it's me. I'm authorizing the connection. Then advance, click go to Genit, scroll down, continue. Then these are the services is requesting for to create, edit, delete Google Ads and the rest of them. So these are the services is requesting for. Okay. Then I'm going to click on select, then click on continue, then connected. Google Ad is connected. Let me show you the approved scopes. Example, this is the scope of the YouTube, which is Google Upload and the rest of them. YouTube Upload. Then this is the scope of the Google Ad, AdWords, and the rest of it. Okay, I'm going to connect other Google platforms. Example, Gmail. I'm going to click on Gmail, click on continue. Then when it comes up, I'm going to select the preferred account, click on advance, click on go to Genit, then continue again. So these are the services. So Genit already has service. So these are the services that has been previously added. So I'm going to say I want Gmail. I want to allow Genit to access the ongoing account. Click on next. Then I'm going to say click details to see what users are going to connect to, which is the app wants to access, read email, compose, send email, and the rest of them. See, but not change email details and the rest of them. So these are the what's it called? The items it's requesting for. I'm clicking on continue. Then I'm also going to show you the scopes that's using after the connection has been added. So the connection is still in progress while we wait for the connection to complete. Okay, Gmail has been connected. Then we are going to go on to connect other platforms, which is Google Calendar. I'm going to click on add. Then this is the scope of the Gmail. Before we can continue, this is the scope of the Gmail that we are requesting for. Then I'm going to click on Google Calendar, click on continue, select the account I want to use, advance. I'm going to click on go to Genit, click on continue again. Then I'm going to click on select. So it's going to say list of calendars you're subscribed to, view edit, and the rest of them. So this is it. View edit calendar, allow access to Google Calendar. Yeah. Then I'm going to click on see details. You can see view details. Then this is it. These are the details. And I'm also going to click on continue to see that Google Calendar has been connected. I'm going to click on the for you to see the scopes it is requesting for under calendar lists, events, and the rest of them. So these are the scopes it's requesting for. Then I'm also going to click on Google Drive. Then same procedure, select the approved Gmail account. Then click advance, go to Genit. I'm going to click continue. And I'm also going to click I want to edit. So I'm going to show you the details by clicking see access details. So these are the details it's requesting for and the rest of them. Then I'm going to click on continue so that I will also show you the scopes is requesting for from this end, which is this. Okay, I'll do the same for Google Meet. Click on Google Meet, then select the account I want to use, advance, go to Genit. I'm going to click on continue, then scroll down to I want to allow Genit to edit. I'll also click on show details for you to see details I'm requesting for. Then scroll down. So these are other connected access on Genit, which we've already done in the past. So these are the connected accesses. So I'm going to click on continue again to see the connection happen in real time. So Google Meet has been added. Google Sheet, click on connection, select the approved account, then advance, click on go to Genit. I'm going to click on continue to see what is asking for. I want to allow, yeah. So I'm going to show you the what's it called scopes that we are requesting for. So these are the other connected scopes on Genit. I'm going to click on continue so that I will show you the scopes we are requesting for the Sheets and other Google Docs platforms. So this is a scope it uses. So yeah, I'm also going to click on Google Slide. Do the same for the rest of the Google services. Click on Google Slide, then select the preferred account. Here, click on continue. Then the same procedure, select, choose. Yeah. So literally, I'm also going to show you the scopes that we're requesting for the Google Sheet. This is a scope that we're requesting for the Google Sheet. Then I'm also going to show you the Google Docs. Click here, Docs. Okay, I'm clicking on Docs. Then continue again. Then selecting the preferred account. Advance, continue. Then click go to Genit. Click continue again. When it does, I'm going to click on here. Click continue. Then yeah. Then one final one. This is the scope is requesting for the Google Docs. Then I'm also going to click on Google Forms by clicking on continue. Then I'm going to select the preferred account. When I do, I'm going to click on advance, click on go to Genit, select continue, then select I want, yeah. Then with this, these are other connected services. The same scopes is what I'm requesting for the other productivity plugins. So these are the scopes for the Google Form connections, and these are the Google services connected to Genit that users can use to create their financial uh, documentation example on sheets, create slides, create forms, and every other Google services on the platform. Okay, so let's check the connected services. This is Google YouTube. This is Gmail. This is Google Ads. This is Calendar. This is Drive. This is Google Meet. This is Google Sheets. This is Google Slides. This is Google Docs. And this is Google Forms. So these are the connected plugins on Genit. First of all, I can say, hey Genit, create a survey for my businesses, telling them about how my services has been for the last 6 months for my customers. Okay, I'm going to. So Genit allow users to import their business by clicking on the brand section here. If you click on the brand section with just a URL, Genit allow users to import their business. All right. However, we are going to toggle on the brand identity because the user's information has been added. So I'm going to click on send. With this, the AI will start creating a Google form, and when it's done, it will create it. Yeah. So this is the Google form. When you click on it, you'll see the Google form and everything automatically filled up. I can say, okay, I can say add how they found about add a field of how they found out about us by clicking send, and it will update it. The same exact form is updating the form instead of creating a new one. All right, which is the right thing to do. And if we, once it's updated, we are going to refresh. Okay, it's updating. So once it's updated, we are going to refresh the exact one, and we should see a form. Okay, yeah, which talks about how they found out about us. How did you find out about Bravo? All right, so this is it, and that's awesome. So let's ask it to, hello, send the form URL to a user email address, in quotes, cryptolites@gmail.com. I'm going to click send. It would send the email, compose an email, send it, and write. So it has been sent to cryptolite@gmail.com. For me to check it, I can just swipe up, open another, the email that is, which is Cliptolite email. Check if we received an email. Have you seen it? We received an email. Would love to. Hi there. We hope you're having a great experience. So this is the link of the survey that has been created. So we're back to the AI, and we are going to ask the AI to, hello, hello Janet. How many folders do I have on my Google Drive. Okay, so I have different folders, which is 35 folders and different files. Okay, on my Google Drive. So created with a URL to view. Okay, which is an amazing what's it called? So the next one we can ask it to okay, we can ask it to create a folder called test. Send. I need to create a folder called test. Folder called test. We can click here to see if a folder has been created. Yeah, a folder has been created called test. We can go to home to see the folder as well. So this is a newly created folder. I can also ask it to delete it. Delete. Okay. I can ask it to add a file. Upload. Okay, sorry. Upload this file to the folder. Okay. File uploaded to the folder. Okay. File uploaded. So we can say, hello, Genit. What do I have? Hello, Genit. What next do I have on my calendar? I can click on send. So to check, the next thing that I have in my calendar is Emmanuel's birthday. I can ask it to, so this is it. I can ask it to create an event, create a new event for tomorrow. I want to get Emmanuel a gift. Time 4 p.m. Okay. With this, Genit is going to create a new, so it has created it, and I will have the event tomorrow, which is in my calendar. Okay. So to enable me see some of the services that has been, so these are all the services and several of others. I can say, hello, Genit, create a Google form, Google Doc that talks about our services. It's about our services, yeah. Okay, in here we'll be able to access the services. You can say create a meeting link titled Talk with Investors and how to create a meeting link, talk to investors, time 8 p.m. tomorrow. Also send the email to our HR, send email to our HR, which is clickthelights@gmail.com. Email and link. So to create a meeting using Google Meet. It can also handle the delete, update, and read. So it has created it, sent an email, sent, if we come here and refresh, we should also be able to get the email. Okay. So we should also, this is the distance. So we should also get the other email. Yeah, by clicking here, you can say invite with investors. with an email this thing created. You can say ask create a sheet, create a docs, create a sheet document, uh, create a sheet document giving me a demo of our finance on Bravo. I'm going to hit send, and it's going to create a sheet document and provide the URL like this. So all I have to do is click and I should be able to view. So I can ask it several items, which is what's it called? Create different things, and all this will be created. The Gmail has been sent, email has been sent. Literally, can ask it create a design for my art. Can ask it create a design for my art and hit send, and Genit will start creating a UI design for the art. It's asking me what type of art, Facebook, YouTube. So I'm going to click on Instagram post art because I want it to be okay. I can say our services is the air your business needs. By clicking send, so it's gonna get started and start designing. Okay, so these are design inspirations. I'm going to click on pause to enable me select. So I'm selecting this as the design inspiration, or the AI can automatically select a design inspiration and go ahead to start creating designs. Okay, so the agent is thinking I need to create a design. So that design, I can now use it to run my ad campaigns. Okay, on Google Ad and different other what's it called, platforms. I can also use a video, ask it to create a video, and with those video I can use it to run my ad campaigns. Okay, so it's still designing. Let's see the outcome, then we can now get started. So literally every plugin here is to help a user create and grow their businesses. Okay, so this is the first. Our services is the air your business needs. Try it today. So we can now use, so it's literally working in line with the brand colors and everything according to what our AI has pulled out from. Okay, so every services we are using here is just to help a user grow their business, leveraging Google services. You can say, hey, go ahead to create a Google ad with this. Send, and exactly to execute it. It's going to ask me for ad campaign and my ad. Okay, Bravo ad, new Bravo ad. I'm going to click on send. So the campaign details has been set up. So it's going towards the budget. I can say 20, send. So it asks me to set up design. So it's going to use the exact design that has been. So it's going to ask me to reconnect Google Ad. I can just click on reconnect from here by choosing the exact platform. And after that, it will now go ahead to implement the Google Ad, verifying if it's me, scrolling and advance and go to Genit, authorize, select the exact Google Ad and click continue. And after this, it will now go ahead. Okay, it's asking me to apply for one Google App Center. So, okay, add developer token is not configured. Our team is going to swing into action to implement this now. Creates how Genit uses Google Auth permission after explicit user authorization. So users choose which Google services they want to connect, and their data is only used to perform actions related to that service as they have requested. Thank you so much.